My video is about removing the online scam that is related to the website Shaxon.shop. Shaxon.shop is a deceptive website that now attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This deceptive site tries to trick its visitors into thinking that their computer is horribly messed up and infected. Shaxon.shop claims to be related to some well-known security software, but the point is that it is not related to that program. And the real purpose of these deceptive pop-ups is to trick people into actually downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may eventually be brought to some other junk sites that may promote a totally different software. So you should be very careful not to download anything that is promoted like that. Now, if any potentially unwanted programs were mistakenly added to your Windows computer, you should undertake the measures and get rid of them. Check the list of programs, and if you find anything suspicious, uninstall it. Finally, I also recommend that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com, so use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.